Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue which is related to the addition of cash found in the case of assessee, especially when the accountant of the assessee is not able to explain that cash at the time of the search, but in the later proceedings, if the assessee is able to explain the source of the cash and to explain that this cash is not related to the assessee, so whether in that case the presumption is rebuttable, which is there in the case of such cases that when the search is made on an assessee and some cash is found, then that cash is presumed to be related to the assessee is a rebuttable presumption. This issue has been taken up by Delhi ITAT B bench in the case of Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Creamy Foods Limited, and this case is reported in 108 ITR Tribunal, short notes 66, and the date of the judgment is 6th December 2023. In the present case, there was a search at the office and the plant of the SMC group, and cash of rupees 2.65 and 2.09 crore was found. When the explanation was sought for this cash, the accountant of the assessee failed to reconcile that cash at the time of the search. So, on this basis, when the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessing officer made the addition for the cash under section 69A. When the matter was before the CIT appeal, the assessee explained that this cash belongs to the various group companies and entities, and the assessee also pleaded that fact has been accepted in the respective assessment of those 9 group companies. The assessee also submitted the necessary details like the cash book of those group companies with the assessment orders. The CIT appeal on the basis of this explanation accepted the version of the assessee and deleted the addition. When this matter was before the tribunal said that in the present case availability of cash with the different companies was sufficient to explain the cash found at the time of the search. The tribunal said that all 9 group companies were assessed by the same assessing officer who accepted cash in hand in their assessments. So, if the same amount will be added into the income of the assessee, that will be double taxation, and the assessee is fully in a position to rebut the presumption that this cash relates to the assessee, because the assessee has explained with all the documents and the evidences that this cash does not relate to the assessee, but this cash is related to the various group companies. So the basic presumption that when there will be a search on the assessee and some cash will be found, then it will be presumed that that cash relates to that assessee. But this presumption is always rebuttable if the assessee is in a position to explain that this cash is not the cash related to the assessee, but this cash is related to the other entities, and at the same time the other entities also accept that this cash relates to them and not to the assessee. Then in that case, the addition is not justified in the hands of the assessee for the cash amount which is found in the search of the assessee. Friends, this case is very important from the perspective that whenever any cash is found, then at the first hand it seems that, or the assessee may not be in a position to explain that this cash relates to the assessee at that particular time, because search is not a very happening event for the assessee. It creates some panic for the assessee, and the assessee may not be in a position to explain the source at that time. But when the facts are recollected by the assessee at a later stage, so then it may happen that cash can be explained. So this case is very helpful in all those cases where the assessee can prove with the proper evidence and proper documentation. Like in the present case, the assessee gave the cash book, the assessment order of those companies, the balance sheet of those companies which were saying that the cash was available with them at that particular time. So in the present case, the tribunal confirmed the order of the CIT appeal who has deleted the addition. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Creamy Foods Limited, and this case is reported in 108 ITR Tribunal, short note 66, and the date of the judgment is 6th December 2023. Thank you, friends.